Hello there, it's Cassie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel for another video. Today we are going to be taking a look at the October Spellbinders monthly card kit. This is the quick and easy card kit, and you'll notice, I gotta point it out, I got a bunch of holes. Now this is not how it came. This was sitting over in a box right there as I was getting ready to play with it, and one of my cats, maybe two, maybe both of them, decided to chew on the bag. They missed all of the stuff on the inside, but they definitely got the bag. So yours isn't going to come like that, just to let you know. Your bag will be fine, unless you, I guess, have cats like mine and they get a hold of it. But yeah, so pay no attention to the extra holes in my bag, and that is not going to affect any of the inside. So this is called Feeling Festive. So just by what I can see from what is sticking or showing through, this is probably going to be a holiday card kit, and I am super stoked about that. So let's pull out our card. Oh, look at how cute that is. So I'll set this off to the side and we'll pull bits out as we get to it. But here's our card. Yes, it's called Feeling Festive. It's going to tell you what comes in your kit, give you a couple of card examples, and then show how you can make one of those cards. So I think that's great. Really fun, and that's a really cute card. So these are going to be great if you love to just pump out some Christmas cards. This is definitely going to be a kit for you. So let me set this off to the side and we'll pull out our bits. So as always, you're going to get a little packet of adhesive. So you're going to have your double-sided adhesive. You're going to even have some foam strips or some little foam squares, and those always come in your kits. You're also going to have 8 cards and envelopes. These are A2 size, which means when they're closed up, they measure 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inches. And then you'll get the envelopes to go along with it. So that's 8 of them. And that's just to get you started. The amount of stuff that's in this kit, you're just going to have to come up with some more card bases and envelopes because there's so much in here. All right, next up, we're going to bring out the 20 A2 sized card panels. Again, those measure 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inches. And it looks like we're going to get some white, and it's 4 of each. So basically, if you put these back together, these would be the size of an 8 1/2 by 11 sheet of cardstock. But they've done the work for you. They've cut them down, and you're going to get some pink. You're going to get some pretty blue. You're going to get some green, and you're going to get some red. So 20 panels. That means 5 different colors, 4 of each. So that's always wonderful. All right, let's pull out our patterned paper. Oh, these are so cute. I don't know how many patterns you get. I never sit and count it. They are wonderful layering patterned papers. So you get all of these. They're one-sided and, like I said, layering, which means they're lighter weight. So we'll put those out there so you kind of get a feel for our color palette a little more. Very cute. Oh, I love that one. And I love that color. That's super cute. Aw. I love these ones with words. Ooh, that one has some foiling on it. So that's another thing. Sometimes they have foiling on them. Of course, we've got some candy cane stripes. How pretty. I really like this color palette. There's another one with some foiling. Very pretty. Ooh, more foiling. Love the snow. Oh, those trees are super cute too. And there you have it. These are darling. I'm ready to make some Christmas cards. I've already been started. You know, I started back in July. I like to have lots ready because you just don't know. You throw them in with gifts, whatever. So there's your patterned papers. Okay, next up, let's pull out, look at these. Oh my goodness, that is super cute. We have a packet of puffy stickers. And not only do you have sentiments, there's a lot of good sentiments on here, you also have darling little images as well. So Christmas fun, merry, jingle all the way, season's greetings, feeling festive, picture perfect, the perfect gift, full of cheer, the best feeling. These are great. So these I think would be a lot of fun on your cards, but if you have stuff left over, gift tags. We always need lots of gift tags at Christmas, right? Okay, we also have, check it out, some chipboard stickers. Now you have two sides. Let's pull that out. So you can see what we're talking about here. How cute are those? So these are chipboard and they're adhesive backed. So those are great. You have some words in there as well. We've got Merry Christmas Cheer, Magical Holidays, December is here, Bright, fa la la, oh what fun. Got the ampersand and lots of cute little images in there. I love this little deer with the ear or the lights on his antlers. And there's some foiling in there as well. Very pretty. Oh, I'm getting excited. We'll just set this off to the side. Okay, let's come in and grab. Ooh, we've got acetate shapes. Oh, I love this. So acetate meaning they are clear, basically. Oh, look at how fun. Oh my goodness. So these are clear, but let me grab out a piece of white cardstock just so that you can see them a little bit better. Put them up there. Oh my gosh, I love these. Oh, look at, there's like a tag. Make it magical, make it merry, make it memorable. Another one, the most magical time of year. Oh, I love these. You have a bunch of little snowflakes. You may not be able to see them very well on the white, but that's because the snowflake is white. Oh, these are so nice. You light up every Christmas with your smile. Merry and bright. I'm going to use these. Oh, goodness. Your Santa, 25. And your candy cane. These are great. So you will have to be strategic about where you adhere these down or how you adhere these down, because whatever adhesive you use will most likely show through. So that is something to keep in mind. But I'm really excited about these. Yay! Can't wait to use those. I've never in any of the kits, and I've gotten their kits for a while, seen that before. Okay. Ooh, check out the sequin mix. It's got clay. It's got little clay like candy canes, stars, sprinkles, circles, and then you also have some flat back sequins in there that give that nice shimmer. So check that out. And it is so much. I see some shaker tags, shaker cards in the future for sure. I love that. There's a lot there. And then finally in our kit, we have a bunch of ephemera. These are all your die cut shapes. I'm going to pull these out. You usually get 2 of every one. So I won't pull, and we won't go through all of it, but we will, you know, put a few of them out so you have an idea. These are so cute. Dear Santa. That's cute. I love layering these up, putting tons on a card. That big Christmas tree is wonderful. And I like to separate mine out by bigger ones and smaller ones because that way, you know, you can kind of mix and match where you need. Oh, I love those hearts. Definitely see that coming. A's for Elf. So you don't have any words really in here. Your wording is going to come from like your chipboard stickers and your puffy stickers and even some of your acetate die cuts. But yes, there are so many cute little images in here. Lots of fun to be able to make all kinds of wonderful holiday cards. All right, so stick around. I'm going to show you the cards that I made. And I'll even have a link down below to my blog so you can take a closer look at those cards, but we'll talk a little bit about them. For my first card, I grabbed a bunch of the little food ephemera and I lined that all up, and boy, did I want a cookie afterwards or some hot cocoa. But I love how that one turned out. For our second one, I used the baubles and that cute little elf on one of them as well, and we used our chipboard stickers that say Merry and Bright. My third card, I created a little scene with those little elves trying to give each other presents. I just thought this one was so sweet with a little fireplace in the background. For our fourth card, I had to make a shaker. Those clay bits in there were just wonderful, and the acetate wreath was the perfect addition for this, and using puffy stickers as well. And then that final card, I actually brought in the embossing folder of the month to make this card with one of the acetate tags and lots of ephemera. And so there you have it. I will have a link to my blog down below so you can check these cards out a little bit closer if you'd like to. If you like this video, hit that like button. Definitely subscribe if you haven't already done so. And as always, I'll see you very soon in another video. Bye, everybody.